Good day, guys. Welcome back to another video on the extension build. Guys, I'm up on the roof. Today is fitting windows days. We are going to finish off the windows fitting that we started. We are going to install the glass area. So it's been raining yesterday a lot. Today's a little bit better. So what we've done is just come up here to try and see if we can get these glass in and finish this off. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like now. I'm going to show you how we put these glass in. All right, guys, so here we are. Here's our window. Here is our electric windows. I've just cleaned this out, make sure it's nice and dry. There's no watermarks on the glass. We've got a triple glazing or the third layer of glass to fit on this. We've also got to do the same thing on this one here. So we're going to install that. Then these ones here, we've got to fit in the whole glass units for these. So we've got one here, we've got one here, we got one here, we got one here, we've got all the beading and stuff. We've got to clean some of the edges off the fiberglass as well, grind them off, and some places I need to just sort of go over again, but we can do those after the glass is on. So we just want to get this covered because this week we're expecting more rain. You guys can see the deck, it's looking good. And yeah, once we get a proper sunny day, then we can come here, give this a light rub down, and then we can put the gel coat on this, or the top coat should we say. Yeah, but we're gonna start putting these glass in. Yeah, I'm ready when you are. If there's a paper in there, bring the paper, yeah? Okay. All right, so these are the bits we got. We got these seals, comes with 2 lengths of that. We got these brackets and screws we need to fit on. So this is for one window. That one. We do this one first. We've also on this got the option for the rain sensor. So this is going to get screwed into here. So what happens is when this gets wet, if it rains, it automatically closes the window. So it's a sort of safety feature. So we got that. We usually get these when we buy these ones. Yeah, ready? Yeah, let's go. Ready? Okay. Yeah, got it. We also got to wipe out and clean up this glass as well on the inside to get all dust out of it. Ken, just put this one down. Get some glass cleaner on that. There's glass number 2. That's nice. Nice. All right, so we're putting these in. We've got to put these little clips, these brackets that go in. I'll show you one of them. Get it up. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys how we put them in. All right, let's see. So you've got a little double-sided tape. Pull the tape off. He's using that screw to line it up where it's got to be. And you push it in. So the little double-sided tape under there will stick it. It'll stick it. We'll stick it enough anyway to this frame underneath here. Yeah, good. We've got to put one on each of those holes, those pre-made holes there. Then we flip it over. These little grooves here will fit into the grooves here, and then we'll put our screws through the holes and screw into this plastic. Screw into this groove here. We've got 2 more. No, loads more. There's one. Here's one, okay.
I think so.
Where's the other ones?
You peeled it?
Yeah, I peeled it off already. So how many more missing? 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Any more there? There's the other 3. I have to peel that one. And last one. It's this one here, isn't it? Good. Alright, I'm ready to put this one in. Right, these windows are a bit easier to fit. There's some parts of the fiberglass that I need to just grind off where it's sticking up some sharp edges. But in the meantime, what we got is this sealant tape. We stick to the inside of the curb and sort of a cushion for the main glass. And then we use this sealant that comes with the windows. Generous bead around the outside. And then bond it down. That's pretty much it. So this goes on the inside like that. Okay, it's our first one. Oh there, now we gotta carry these glass up, these heavy glass. Take all the plastic off. Are you saying you're ready?
Ready.
I'm ready. Ooh. push. Hold on, hold it. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Boy, this is the scary bit. Gotta bring 4 of these up. It is triple glaze, so it's quite strong. It's heavy. Alright, so for here, you're going to put a generous amount. So it's really sitting on the bead. And they give you a whole tube per light, so should be enough to do 1 window. Nice and thick, so you can press it down. And then later, we're going to go around the underside as well. I need to get an angled end to do that properly. Push it down like that. Good. Something. That's it. Easy. Alright, let's do that one. There. I don't know which ones are working. This one's working. Get rid of that. Or is it? One of the ones cutting. A nice view of the sky. Hey. Rubbish. That's it. Alright guys, here we go. We have finished. We got all our windows in. Let's see what they're looking like. We're gonna go check on what it looks like from underneath. We got a lot of glass up here. 6 windows. Happy days. So we are pretty much covered and watertight, except for that last little bit at the back here. But these will be all watertight. What I managed to end up doing is doing the bead around the back. I need to get an angled nozzle because it's so low down to get to the sides and the bottom, but I don't expect any water to get in there. Water will come straight down off that. But this is basically what we're looking like. We got 6 of these in, 2 electrics and 4 fixed. So we're gonna go check and see what that looks like from below. Alright guys, so here we are in the roof. See what it looks like on there. That's the glass up there. That's one. We've got another one over here as well, glass. And obviously we've got all the other ones. That's it, happy days. Hey guys, so that's it. We are off. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just a quick job. We have to get these windows in tomorrow. It's too late to start the drains today, so we want to get it done in one day. So tomorrow we are going to be trying to take the manhole out and connect it all up. So once we've done that, then we can put in the new toilet waste pipe from the house upstairs and run that to the right place, and we can finish filling up the last bit of roof in there. And then we can basically start doing things like flashing and details and all that. And our roof is completely sealed up. So we're waiting on our quote for our steels to opening up. We've done all our measurements of where it's going to be. We've sent that to them. So we're waiting for that. If all goes well, I'm hoping we could probably have that by the end of next week, which means next week we probably start knocking this wall out. We're going to take the old kitchen out, some of the kitchen out anyway. That window's going to have to come out. That door's going to have to come out. And for now, we're gonna have to board up the house. But we want to try and get that opened up and get that steel in. And then, yeah, and then we can finish closing up the floor. And then we're basically starting to do insulation up in here. And then we can start getting plasterboard in and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully we'll be moving along nice and quick. So guys, that is it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.